Hello friends, Megha here. Welcome back to my channel. Let's code them up. In this video, we will learn how to create a new project in Android Studio. Before starting, you will need to install Android Studio on your computers. If you have not installed the Android Studio on your computer and need help, I have made a separate video for the same and included the links in the description box below. The version for Android Studio in this video is 2.2.3. If you have older version or a new version, some screens might differ in the way they look, but the whole process is almost the same. Open Android Studio. Click on Start a new Android Studio project. This window opens. Now add a project name of your choice. I am giving this project a name of New Project Demo. Next is company domain. You can go with the default domain which appears here, or write your own domain name. Like for example, I use letscodethemup.com. That is the name of my site and also the channel. Next is the location at which you want to store your project. You can go with the default location specified here, or you can choose your own location. For that, you need to click on this icon here. This opens the folder structure of your computer. You go to the place where you want to save your project and click OK. But for now, for this project, we will go with this default location and click on Next. Now Android Studio is asking for you to select a target device for your app. A target device is the device on which your app will run. Now you have to decide which type of app you want to create. You want to create an app for a phone, or you want to create an app for a watch, or you want to create an app for a TV, or you want to create an app for any other devices mentioned here. For our example, we will create an app for the phone version. So we will select the first option here. Next, you see that the minimum SDK level is set to API 15 Android 4.0.3 ice cream sandwich. And how do you choose the minimum SDK level? For that, you can click on Help Me Choose link here. The graph here shows the Android version and percentage of devices covered if you select that version. So if you select Android 6, then your app will run only on devices with Android version 6 and above. That is just 4.7% of all the Android devices currently available in the world. But if you choose Android version 4, that is ice cream sandwich, your app will be able to function on 97% of the Android devices worldwide, which is a significant amount. So you see that choosing Android version 4 is better for us, as our app will run on more number of devices. You can go back by clicking on OK. Now keep the minimum SDK at API 15 and press Next. These are all the templates provided by Android Studio. By selecting any one of these templates, Android Studio will create a project with files having some default data for you. You can have a basic activity which includes a floating button if that is something you are looking for. Or you can have an empty activity which includes nothing. Or you can start with the maps activity or a login activity if that is your purpose. But if you want to start from scratch and you don't know which of these activities you might need, you can start with the empty activity and always add any of these other activities later in the project as they are needed. So we will start with empty activity and click on Next. You can change the name of main activity and the layout file here if you want to. If you don't want, just click on Finish. Android Studio is building your project. It might take some minutes. Have some patience. The window opens, but still some errors are visible as red lines. This happens because the Gradle build has not finished yet. You can see that Gradle is building your project in the bottom bar here. When the Gradle build finishes, all the error vanishes. And now you can start building your project. Congratulations, now you have created a new project in Android Studio. It's time to start building some apps. Please like this video or share it if you found this useful, and don't forget to subscribe.